morning, Namaste, myself Bhaskar. This is my friend Muniswara Garu, yoga instructor. Today we are going to explain you the yogasanas effect to the diabetic. So before that, I welcome all the people, the Bhaskar Sports, which is my channel, where I am giving much importance to physical fitness and health for all the people. So friends, you know that nowadays the diabetic how influence the lifestyle of the people. Now if you are go for measurement, complete universe, it is another big task how to prevent the diabetic and how to cure the diabetic, because there are research says there are 422 million people are there in world. Among that highest China, we are number 2 position, where 77 millions we have. Whereas in India, if you compare to the states, the first place Kerala, next Tamil Nadu, followed by Punjab and other states. The main reason is, you know, that lifestyle of the individual. So let's have the lifestyle to how to do the exercise. In the part of this lifestyle, let us follow some exercise which we are going to tell you, but it is a series of 4 weeks. The first week we will tell you the primary week how it will the diabetic patient or prevention of the diabetic we are going to tell you. But more than this, I need not say you why the diabetic comes, what is the deficiency. It is not the disease, it is the body function disorders. So the disorders make it order correctly. So that's why let us change our lifestyle the proper way. The main thing is exercise, food, balanced diet which has no sugar, and the fruits, vegetables, and everything proper systematic way. The people who are in diabetic, the medicine also required, medicine and this exercise, regular exercise and everything. Friends, last video, the same place we have given to you the how to do the warm up before going to the Surya Namaskar, because the Surya Namaskar is that much influence to your body parts. Mainly the reason of the diabetic is the pancreas releasing insulin. So this is in this series today, first we have to do the warm up and afterwards Surya Namaskar, that already we have given in the previous videos. Today let us go for the complete direct to the asanas, which is effect to the, which is impact to the this type of this pancreas, which is impact on the pancreas. So the pancreas gland should work the proper way. So disorder of the pancreas, this type of disease may come. That's why let us do some exercise. So first you follow that warm up before the Surya Namaskar, afterwards Surya Namaskar. Now let us start this is the position, asanas, yogasana position. It is called Vajrasana. So Vajrasana position, keep your completely, when you are stretching, when you are keeping the legs forward, you is keeping the leg forward, bring the left leg behind like this, and it is the Vajrasana position. Completely you have to sit on that. See, based on when you are sitting on the floor, you keep the mat And those who are not able to sit in Vajrasana, you can keep on the bed also. Keep the sponge little bit more, 1 or 2 mats extra you can keep, because all the people suddenly they may not sit. You don't worry. So everybody cannot sit on the spot because some exercise, some type of experience required to sustain the pains. That's why everybody can do it if you practice continuously. This is the position. And here, see, this is the position. The back side of the toes, joint, the toe stumps like this. Completely, our hip should be on our foot. It's the position. Okay. In the first video, in this first video of this diabetic series of 4 weeks, 4 videos, the first video, let's start Sasankasana. Sasankasana, when you are starting, keep the hands from this side, then slowly bring the hands, take the breath. When you are bending, release the breath out. In these yogasanas, when you are raising the hand, take the long breath, and while coming down, you have to release the breath out. It is the first one. Okay. It is Sasankasana. You have to do the minimum 3 times as per your flexibility. Once again. Take the long breath and slowly and release. You should not raise your hip like this. It should be like this one. In the same way, you can do it this one 2 or 3 times. Another way, in this Sasankasana, another type, if you are keeping here on your belly, on your stomach, take long breath. Release. It also you can observe when you are doing this 2 or 3 times. You can observe here completely pressure on your belly when you are releasing out. So this is the Sasankasana. You can do it 3 or 4 times also. You can do it based on your stamina and standard. And after the Sasankasana, next Sasanka Bhujangasana. The same once observe it. Take a long breath. Bend forward, release the breath. As is Sasankasana, now it's come from Bhujanga. Inside breath, take the breath. Again. It is called Sasanka Bhujangasana. This also you can do it 3 to 5 times based on your stamina. It is also very useful for this diabetic, the people who are doing. So next one, Ustrasana. That means camel, like a camel. So in this asana, once in the same position, also both the hands on this, palms facing forward, and turn towards your right hand side. First you keep on your foot, one hand, another one, and slowly and try to lift the body up. It is Ustrasana. In this day also you can take the small breath in, breath breathe out in this position. Very gently you can take the quick in breath out. Is the position, and again come back. First to raise your left hand, afterwards right hand, and come back from the position. In this one, I can show you how to do that by count. At a time, the people who cannot go for at a time, if they cannot do it, by count they can do it. First one, raise your hand, both the hand upward for practice purpose. Turn towards your right hand side and touch the foot and look at this hand. It should be rising the hand upward. It is the first one. And afterwards, you try to be that side. It is for practice purpose. Ustrasana practice by count. Okay. And you are now you can do at a time. After getting the practice, you can do at a time. Now go for the same Ustrasana, complete Ustrasana. First you have to practice how to get the position by count, by position by position. Now when you are going back, you have to lift the body up. Yeah, it is the position. It's called Ustrasana. It is also impact on this pancreas gland, and it will give the sufficient insulin. The ratio of insulin will increase. Next one, Madhyalasana. One more asana. This is also very important and very simple asanas which everybody can do it. The same position, and slowly raise the hand upward and bend forward, and this it is a position. And you can observe your backbone, the position when you take the breath, the backbone should go down and this one up. Like this. When you take the breath, the head should come up and the backbone go down, and afterwards when you are rising the backbone up, see here mainly the breathing process. We'll tell you next how to go for the pranayam, the breathing, the system. It will affect to that pancreas, and this is also while you're doing these asanas, it's very good exercise, very good asana for that diabetic people. Yes, you can do it for 5 to 7 times. You can do it. Okay. Next, afterwards, go for the Shavasana. It is also equal importance because all of our systems come to the normal position. We have to go for the normal position. Completely leave the hand. Now you observe the breath with the stomach. When you take breath, the stomach should come up. When release the breath, stomach should go inside. Slowly, completely relax in this position. At least 2 minutes, this Savasana should be. At least 2 minutes you should maintain the time. Concentrate only on your breath and feel it is very relaxable and very happy moment. After the Savasana, you have to do the pranayam. Pranayam, once be the position of your own, of your own, what is that, comfortable. Of your own comfortable, you can go for this one. Whether you are the Padmasana or ordinary position, whatever it is. Last time we told you, even ordinary position also, based on your flexible, based on your comfortable, you can do it. So main thing is sit in the position and the backbone should be straight. So from the top to bottom, the back should be straight. It is the main important. Now pranayama, now you have to go for this, and you take the breath completely, the two fingers on the forehead and this thumb should be on the right nostril. Yes, the ring finger with the left nostril when you are changing. So now you take the breath with left nostril and change it and release with the right nostril. And this process take long breath and close it. Again the same you take with the right nostril and release the breathe out with the left nostril. Again take the breath with the left nostril, release with your right nostril. This process you can maintain that 7 minutes. If they are small age people can go for 5 minutes, but adults go from 7 minutes to 10 minutes also you can do it. Okay. Next thing is meditation. It is also part of this, because all this you have to do it the proper way. The meditation also you can sit the position, 3 types of position you can do it. The first one is Padmasana. Padmasana position also you can do it. You keep the legs and overlap on the laps. It is the position of this Padmasana. And next one is Sukhasana. Sukhasana also, it is ordinary position. Everybody can do it. This position Sukhasana. And one more, Siddhasana also you can do it. Both the legs, just keep the, yes, it is also one more type of this one. It is also Siddhasana. Any type of this asanas, you can sit in position and start the meditation. When you are doing meditation, observe, completely observe on your breath in, breath out. Let's thoughts, ideas, memories, let's come and go. And try to do the meditation slowly. Within the 15 to 20 days, you will concentrate on your breath. Maybe starting it may disturb you. You may listen to some other extra sounds. You may get the memories. Many things will be starting. But when you do continuously, if you do it, after 15 to 20 days, definitely you will have the control complete on your, you will concentrate on your breath in, breath out, so that it will affect your lifestyle also. Yeah, position. Okay, so after the meditation, the warm, just rub your hands, the warm palms, just warm palms, with the warm palms keep on your forehead, massage completely, because now completely resting your body. So you have to massage, so cheeks, forehead, chin, shoulders and chest, stomach, thighs, everything, total body over. And once again you rub your hands, keep the palms of bow shape, keep on your eyes completely. The eyes should not be strained. You should not get anything pressure on that. You may massage the corner of your eyes with your fingertips, but you should not keep completely all the fingers. With the fingertips around your eyes, you can go for the massage. Okay, this is what meditation. After meditation, the process. This is the massaging. Afterwards, you can go for this rubbing hands. You go for all the fingers, speech over all the fingers with this, just like acupuncture. Okay, this is the process of the first week. The process of only the first week. So next week we will come to you with some more videos with the connection of this. So this one should practice, all the people should practice this 10 days. Minimum 10 days you have to practice this one regularly. try to better to have the empty stomach, like morning is better for you. So actually this one do the regular this type of asanas in your daily life. Actually diabetic is not a disease, it is just a disorder of your body functioning, so make it correct. So everybody try to follow this, subscribe my Bhaskar Sport channel. Thank you everybody.